welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name's Shawna. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like me and my other videos, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it and want to see more videos like this, kind of like college videos. But yeah, I am moving to my apartment near my university tomorrow, so I'm packing most of my stuff today. Basically what I'm doing is that I'm packing most of my stuff and taking it over there tomorrow, and then the same day I'm gonna come back so I can celebrate my birthday with my family. So my apartment is near my university. It's a 2-bedroom apartment, so I do have a roommate, which is fine. And I will be doing like an apartment tour and like a organize my apartment type of thing as well. I just like won't show my roommate's stuff because of her privacy. Like, I don't know if she'd want to be on YouTube or anything like that, so I'll like mostly show my stuff. I'll try to film like the living room and kitchen because I don't think she'd mind that. Like, I'll ask her, but yeah, you'll see some more apartment videos soon. But today I'm just gonna be packing like most of my stuff, like I said, and you guys are gonna be seeing all that.